comes to tracking your fitness on Apple Watch, there are two key metrics you'll want to pay attention to: active calories and total calories. But what's the difference between the two, and why does it matter? What are active and total calories on Apple Watch? Active calories are the number of calories you burn through all forms of movement, including exercise and everyday activities like standing and walking. Your active calorie goal is based on your age, height, weight, gender, and activity level. Total calories include both active and inactive calories. Inactive calories are the number of calories your body burns while at rest. Your basal metabolic rate (BMR) contributes to the majority of your inactive calorie burn. The number of active and total calories you burn in a day is influenced by many factors, including genetics, lifestyle, health conditions, and more. But no matter what your unique circumstances are, tracking your calorie burn with Apple Watch can help you better understand how much energy you're using each day. How to find active calories in the fitness app. Viewing your active calories after a workout can give you a better idea of how many calories you burn during your session. To do this, simply open the fitness app on your iPhone and tap into the active calories section. Here, you'll be able to see how many calories you burn based on the intensity of your workout. Keep in mind that this number may be different from your total calories for the day, which includes all the activities you've done throughout the day, not just during your workout.